Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share your LemFi referral code and claim your bonus step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure to download the LemFi app on your phone from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and either log in or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Before you can earn rewards, make sure your account is verified. Now, tap on the referral menu inside the app. You'll see your referral code displayed there. Tap Copy to save it. Share that code with your friends and family. When someone uses your code to sign up and sends over £100 to supported countries in Africa, both of you will get £20 each. And yes, the more people join through your code, the more bonuses you'll earn. To check your rewards, just revisit the referral section in the app. That's it. Earning with LemFi has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.